side of the road because it's just a casual get-together.
Sure, and you put the wires up the stems, too. That's a nice touch.
Norbit.
Hey, Sam.
Buonasera. Come va? You're dressed to kill, huh? Caterina, you look beautiful. Come sit, please. I'm making my specialty just for you.
Hey, did you make my favorite?
Hey, what do you think, huh? I'm gonna take the flour and put him in the water, okay? It's a nice man.
The favorite? I guess you and Raspisha come here a lot, huh?
Oh, no, we used to, but she got banned for life because Sam had an all-you-can-eat buffet once, and she took it as a personal challenge, and it got pretty ugly.
I want to make a toast.
Oh, sure.
To old friends.
The old friends.
We were buddy partners, all right, Norbit. We were. Oh.
I tell you, sometimes I think I should have never married Rasputia.
What do you mean, Norbit?
Oh, I was just really young, and she latched on to me and kind of helped me fit in and gave me a family, so.
We had nobody, Norbit. I mean, who can blame us for wanting to feel safe,
Yeah, safe. Like you and Dion?
Yeah. I mean, it's different with Dion, obviously. So what have you got here? Huh?
Oh, it's just construction papers and permits and stuff that you have to sign.
Blah, blah, blah.
Hey, Kate, can I ask you a personal question?
Sure. What?
Do you love Dion?
Of course. Yeah. Otherwise, why would I be marrying him, right? Right?